place that perhaps you've seen in your dreams. For the story that you are about to be told began with the holiday worlds of old. I know you're curious to see what's inside. It's what happens when two holidays collide. Tale to begin. There's no turning back now. Please, come all the way in.
All the way inside, please. If you see floor, there's room for more. All the way
A
in.
holiday tale is a tale that's right, John. But during this season, it's sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale about dear Sandy Claus.
Once again, if you see floor, there's room for more. Make room for more body space all the way inside. It's best seeing how Jack has wrecked our halls. Please drag your bodies away from the walls.
Was the nightmare before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stars, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning, would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads. Jack Skellington came here from Halloween Town. Handiwork, scattered around. He's decided to play Sandy Claus. Christmas, you might say a few words. And now, a dark carriage will take you away. Sit back, rest in peace, in your black Christmas sleigh. Your sleigh will accommodate one or two more. And hope you're prepared for what Jack has in store. please. All good ghouls and boys must sit safe in their seats. Keep in their sleigh all hands, arms, legs, or feet.
Si cuidas a tus niños, todo marchará felizmente. Los fantasmitos y fantasmitas deben quedarse en su asiento. Y en el cochecito, mantener brazos, manos, piernas y pies adentro.
A fine Christmas present. The man eating clams makes a wonderful wreath, as long as you don't get caught with its teeth. Jack's holiday vision was unlike no other. So ring out the bells. There's more cheer to uncover.
My good love gave to me a star, a brilliant
With some treats and some games, you can make a scene merry. Why, even a gingerbread house could seem scary. All at once, happy hearts did materialize, like a nightmare by Christmas sleigh. We will continue your holiday tour momentarily. We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all.